If Microsoft ClipChamp is not working or opening in Windows 11, it's usually due to corrupted app files, permission issues, or Windows Store errors. Here's a complete step-by-step guide to fix it, from simple to advanced method. First step, the basic check. Before troubleshooting deeply, a simply restart can fix your issue. Click on Start menu, click on Power, and then simply restart your computer. If this fix cannot solve your issue, go for next fix. Now the second step, repair or reset ClipChamp. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left panel, click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Here you will find Microsoft ClipChamp. Click on three dot icon on it, and then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down. You will find here Reset. First try to repair. It will not delete or reset your app data. Just click on Repair icon. Repair process is continuing and it's finished. Hope it will solve your issue. If your issue is still persistent, go for next step. Click on Reset and be sure this will remove your app data, and reset process is continuing and reset finished. Hope this fixes solve your issue. Close settings. Now step number 3. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Corrupted cache can prevent apps from opening. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run type wsreset.exe. Then click on OK. Wait until the blank window closes. The store will reopen automatically. And then try to launch ClipChamp again. Now step number 4. Ensure background app permission. Right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Left panel, click on Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. In Microsoft ClipChamp, click on three dot icon and then click on Advanced Options. Here you will find Background Apps Permissions and click on the drop down menu here and select Always. Now close settings. Hope this fixes solve your issue. If not solved, go for fifth step. Check Microsoft account issues. ClipChamp needs a valid Microsoft account to work. Right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. In left panel, click on Accounts. Here I have logged in with local user account. So I need to sign in with Microsoft user account. Click on Sign In. Type the email address. Click on Next. And choose the ways to sign in. I am choosing password and enter the password. Then click on Sign In. Click on Next and close settings. Now you need to sign out your local user account and sign in with your Microsoft account. Click on Start menu, click on your profile icon, and then click on Sign Out. After signing with Microsoft account, hope your ClipChamp will work properly. If you still facing the same problem, go for next step. Check GPU drivers. ClipChamp uses hardware acceleration for video editing. So you need to update your display adapter. Right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager. In Device Manager, select Display Adapter and expand it. And right click on your appropriate display adapter and click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and the base drivers for your device are already installed. That's it. Hope these fixes will solve your issues and your ClipChamp will open or work properly. Thank you very much.